Hi, Fredrik here. In this video I show you how easy and simple it is to promote your YouTube video using Sprizzy.com. I was at first hesitating for using Sprizzy. Is this another scam? Is this a robot doing my views and so on? And is it secure to use? After I did my research on the web, I decided to try it out. Today we have a YouTube channel live with content sharing our camper life, and we're also trying to rent out our camper. And we had for a long time an ad for the rent out campaign in a traditional way by using local newspaper and so on. And my idea with YouTube was to create a video to reach audience telling we have a camper for rent out. But the video on our YouTube channel wasn't showing any result as I wanted it to do. So I decided to do a research how to make YouTube video go viral to get the right audience, increasing our views, subscribers and more. I created a camper trailer just to check how many views I got using Sprizzy.com. And the result was amazing. I got comments, I got views, I got subscribers, and the campaign were live for about 5 days. And the outcome was terrific. We reached an audience quick and fast. And then the telephone went crazy calling us, wanted to rent our camper. Boom! The rent out was up and running. I will show you my account and show you the campaign for this trailer, so stay tuned. So here we are, my account on Sprizzy.com. I just want to show you how it looked like and how easy it is. And this is my YouTube channel's videos, and I have one active campaign now. We can go and see. This one is active, and I made a fund of $50 at start, and it's live now, and the budget's remaining is $27. I spent $21 and I received already 815 views. So approximately budget remaining $27, maybe give me 2,000 views. So this is really easy and simple, and the staff behind Sprizzy.com do the work. They work with implement keywords and so on, choose the audience, and yeah, it's brilliant, awesome. There you go, you just witnessed my result. It is amazing. As a digital entrepreneur, I've been using Google Ads before, and it takes time to manage it. Sprizzy.com manage all your configuration at Google Ads, and you don't have to do anything. Sprizzy look at your keywords and in your video, and you get the right audience, and you also have a support team behind Sprizzy who will help you get the right keywords to get you to the right audience. Sprizzy helped me get my channel ranked on YouTube, and that I'm very grateful for. If you want the same as I got, increase views, subscribers, quick and fast and secure, you can do the same using Sprizzy.com. Click the link in the description for this video and you get how it works and more. Okay, good luck and take care. Bye.